Opensea NFTs, how to create NFTs and sell them. Hi there, you guys. In this video, I'll be talking about how NFTs work in Opensea, how you can create your own NFT and then start to sell them. Well, let's talk about 4 points while I go through this video. How to create an NFT or creating an NFT meaning. What does it mean? And how does it work in OpenSea or any other platform? Second is things you need to create an NFT. What are the things that you need to secure before trying to create an NFT? Next is the process of minting. Why is it important, you guys? I'm going to show you how it works step by step. And next is, of course, my final thoughts with this platform. Now, let's get started. Creating an NFT, it basically means that you're minting an NFT or minting a digital item. Minting a digital item means it's the process of making a digital content to a tradable item in the Ethereum blockchain. Now, think about your artworks and think about Ethereum blockchain as the gallery that your artworks are hanging. And OpenSea is a window and Rarible is another. So you can sell both of your items in OpenSea or in Rarible. But once you decide to sell your item in either one of the windows, there's no getting it back and it's already sold. You cannot sell it to the other. So basically, once you sold your item here in OpenSea, you cannot sell it in Rarible anymore because all of these things, all of the NFTs are registered on the Ethereum blockchain. Now, what are the things that you need to create an NFT? First is you need to secure a digital item or the NFT itself that you will be listing. I like for this for as example, you can see here artworks that are notable drops like here. So basically you'd want to create artworks that are similar to this, or if you're competitive, maybe even better. So you can see here the collections that have been topping the list for the past 7 days, and you can go ahead and check up until the last 30 days of activity. That's really cool. So this is how OpenSea works. Now, two things. You've already mentioned one thing is, of course, your digital content for you to create. Next is a crypto wallet right here. Now, I've got here MetaMask, but it's up to you if you want to use other crypto wallets. I'm not saying that MetaMask is the best for this, but it's just the easiest to download, and a lot of people actually use it. So if you don't have MetaMask yet, in your compute on your computer, you just want to go to Chrome Web Store and then check out the extensions page and then type in MetaMask and then download and install it as an extension. And as you can see, I already have it downloaded here. That's why it shows me this option. Now, going back to creating our first NFT, to start creating, let's go ahead and click create. Now we are at the third part, which is the process of minting. The process of minting involves you guys uploading the actual NFT, the artwork. Next is putting a name. Next is putting an external link, which is optional. Next is writing down the description. Next is adding it to a collection, and then properties, setting up properties, the levels and stats, and then toggling unlockable content on and off, explicit and sensitive content. This one is really important because if you happen to have a sensitive content in your digital item, where that can be a problem. Now for the supply, we'll talk about this later on. So let's start and upload the NFT that I just made. It's a Santa NFT, and Santa's looking pretty dope here. So I'm gonna go and give him a name, Santa Dope. I think that sounds pretty cool, right? What do you think? Now, Santa Dope, the external link, you guys, this one is really important. If you have like an Instagram account or a Facebook page that already that has your artwork posted, you can go ahead and post it, guys. It's not really like a no-no to post your NFT item to different sites because different sites can just they're just there for existing, but for listing them as an NFT is another thing, and posting them as a content on different sites is another thing as well. Actually, if you ask me, posting your artworks on other sites are actually a marketing ploy. If you get more views and if you put that link here, a potential buyer can actually see that your content or your creation has been getting a lot of likes and has been getting a lot of reactions. And that in itself can be a marketing ploy for your NFT. Why? Because I don't want to buy like an NFT that's not, you know, that no attention, that has been getting no attention. So I might as well buy an NFT that's really on the popular side. That way I can say that in the future, my NFT that I bought will sell for a higher price. Now, if you have that link, don't hesitate to put it down here, but it's not required. Yeah, it's optional. So it's up to you to put it or not. And the description right here is, of course, a detailed description of the item. You can describe Santa over here. You can tell how you created the NFT or why you created the NFT, stuff like that. Who are you as an artist, or what are the things that you're looking forward to do with this collection and stuff like that. What is promising about your NFT? Am I going to make money out of it? It's really up to you. This is your chance to tell your buyer what your NFT can provide. Okay, so if you happen to have an existing collection and you want to add in this particular NFT to that collection, no problem. Just go ahead and click on the collection that you have, but you can skip this as well. It's optional. Now, the properties here, you guys, is pretty important. It's not pretty, it's really important. This is how your buyers will know how rare your NFT is. So the type and the name, the character right here, the type and the name is like the things that will be the criteria of the rarity of your NFT amongst the collection that you have. For example, I'm gonna put in Santa is wearing like a red hat or like a golden red hat. So let me just say Santa hat here, and it would be like red and gold instead of red and white, because others out there like red and white, right? And Santa tongue, I can actually go ahead and put in tongue is out, tongue out. Yeah, there you go. And then this is how it will look like right here. The Santa hat, Santa tongue, red and gold, tongue out. So you can add in more. So basically, people are looking into, closer to a percent. They're looking for that property. And if you're closer to that percent, then congrats. Your item is rare. Okay, and you can go ahead and choose Ethereum over here or Polygon. When you choose Polygon, like no, there's a less chance of your item to be like bought, because it's not really like, the market on Polygon is really not that huge. But anyway, my final thoughts is, yes, it's easy to create a new item or to create an NFT listing on OpenSea, but you have to keep in mind the gas fees that are present, and that might pose a risk in listing your NFT and might make it unprofitable. So that way you can go ahead and search, make your own diligence about the gas fees, because it's a really it's a really totally different topic. So you guys can go ahead, check on other videos that I made on that. So basically that's it for this video, you guys. Tell me what you think down in the comments below, and see you again in the next video. Peace out.